In last class, we were discussing some of the characteristics of embedded systems, right? As well as okay. In today's class, we'll discuss the embedded systems, applications, and domain specific. It is in chapter number 4 in the second textbook, that is Shibu KV. Just go through it. I have shared the material also with the people, right? So in that, the very first concept is embedded systems, application and domain specific. Here, he has discussed some applications of embedded systems along with the domain specific. As I was explaining the first class, okay, at the beginning of this module, I explained about what's the meaning of domain specific and the application specific, right? So domain specific is, for example, home appliances, right? Home appliances is domain specific, right? What are all the embedded systems we use in the home appliances are the applications with respect to the domain specific of home appliances. Okay, so in our syllabus, he has taken two examples, two applications with respect to domain specific. One is uh, washing machine with respect to home appliances. Other one is uh, car. Okay, what are all the embedded systems come in are present in the a modern car, right? So that is in the automotive domain, right? So let's discuss one by one. The first application is about the washing machine. Okay, just has given a few points with respect to the application and the domain specific. Just observe. Uh, Embedded systems are application and the domain specific, meaning they are specifically built for certain applications in certain domains. As I said, consumer electronics, telecom, automotive, and the industrial control. Okay. It is possible to replace a general purpose computing system with another system which is closely matching with the existing system. Okay, he says in general purpose computing, not embedded system, in general purpose computing, right? So we can replace the general purpose computing systems with another general purpose computing system, right? That is to update the system or to change the processor or to change some input output devices, but it is not the case in the embed systems, right? So, whereas it is not in the case with the embed systems, we cannot update the embed system or we cannot replace one embed system with another one, right? So that he says in the third point, embed systems are highly specialized in functioning and are dedicated for a specific application. So already we discussed this. Embed systems are application specific, right? Are dedicated for particular application. We cannot change them as in the general purpose computing systems. Hence, it is not possible to replace an embedded system developed for a specific application in a specific domain with another embedded system designed for another application in some other domain. For example, right? So I cannot change the processor which is designed for washing machine. Okay, a controller or the microcontroller that has been designed for washing machine, I cannot change that with another microcontroller which is designed for some other application. For example, AC. Okay, so processor or the controller designed for AC, air conditioner, cannot be used for the washing machine, right? So this is the point, right? Next. Okay, he has taken some washing one application, that is washing machine, uh, application specific embedded systems. Remember, this is used in the home appliances or the home electronics. We said the washing machine, right? So we know the application of the washing machine is to rinse the clothes, wash the clothes, and dry the clothes, right? So these are the major function we use with respect to major functions present in washing machine. Okay, what are all the components present in the washing machine? An embedded system contains sensors, actuators, control unit, and application. These are the general components present in a particular or in general embedded systems, like keyboards, display units, etc. etc. One can see all these components in a washing machine. Some of them are visible and some of them may be invisible, right? So the actuator part, okay, as he says, the general any general embedded system contains like sensors, actuators, control unit, and the application specific user interfaces, right? So first he says about the actuators with respect to um, washing machine. The actuator part of the washing machine consists of a motorized agitator, tumble tub, water drawing pump, and the inlet valve to control the flow of water. So I hope, in your home or in everybody's home, uh, uh, um, washing machine is present, right? Uh, so you can observe, right? There are different types: front load and the top load. No, the very recent question is front load, right? Yes, because it has got plenty of advantages over the top load. That's what the price of front load is much more compared to the top load washing machine. Okay, so just uh, the actuator part of the washing machine consists of a motorized status. Okay, here he says there are three different parts with respect to washing machine: actuator part, sensor part, and the control part. The actuator part consists motorized agitator. The motor, which is motor, is a part of the actuator part, as well as the tumble tub. There are two types of tubs. We'll discuss that. Next, water drawing pump and inlet valve. Water drawing pump. So we connect there are two inlets. One is used to draw the water, right? Again, one is to send the water, okay, that is dirty water from the washing machine to the drain. So here the water drawing pump, there is one pump that is used to draw the water from the inlet, that is from the tap. Again, the and inlet valve, okay, so inlet valve is connected to the drawing pump only to control the flow of the water into the unit, he says, okay, towards the washing machine. Next, the sensor part consists of the water temperature sensor, level sensor, and all. So you might have observed there are different options provided in washing machine, right? So there is one option called hot water washing. Okay, the washing process will take place with the hot water. Okay, so again, the sensor part consists of the water temperature sensor and the level sensor. Okay, so ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು like ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ the washing machine starts drawing water from the tap, right? There is one sensor that checks the measure, right, level of the water. As soon the level of that water reaches within the internal tub, it will stop the drawing of the water. Okay, so again, some sensors are there, like temperature sensors and all, to check the temperature of the water. Okay, in you can see in the washing machine, in the interfacing part, there is keypad given external to the uh, washing machine. You could observe there are certain buttons or knobs. You can rotate the knobs. Okay, you can point the knobs to specific washing applications, right? Where it says 60-degree water temperature, 40-degree water temperature. Again, the hot water washing and all. For that, in order to check the water temperature, they use sensors. Okay, so sensor part consists of the water temperature sensor and the level sensor, mainly used to check the temperature of water and the level of the water in the tub, internal tub especially. Next, the control part contains a microprocessor. Certainly, the control part must consist either microprocessor or the microcontroller based board with the interface to the sensors and the actuators. Everything is controlled by this particular control part. Okay, depending on the pre-stored programs, right? Already we know this very well. Next, the sensor data is fed back to the control unit, and the control unit generates the necessary actuators outputs, right? So ಈಗ water level indicator ಇದೆ. As soon uh, water level reaches that particular or the standard mark, okay, the sensor will send feedback to the controller saying the water has reached a particular mark, you need to start rinsing the class. Okay, so that is done by using the sensor data that is taken as feedback, okay, into the control unit, and control unit will issue certain commands or it will start certain process, right? The control unit also provides connectivity to user interface like keypad for setting the washing time, selecting the type of material to be washed like light, medium, heavy duty, etc. Okay, so this is with respect to old washing machine. Know the modern washing machines, what they consist. They have touch screen. Okay, I think you have seen keypad also. The usage of keypad is also there. Like the keypad used to set the rotations per minute, right? So you can fix the rotations of the motor or the drum, like 400 rpm or 600 rpm, 800 rpm, again 1000 rpm. So in the modern washing machine they have about 1200 rpm, that is rotations per minute, okay, to rinse the cloths and all. So to like to wash the class, the rotation of the drum speed. Again, the washing time, you can also fix the washing time. For example, options are provided like a quick washing. If you want to wash the class, daily usage class irutte, adna quick ಆಗಿ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, so 15 minutes I can fix, or 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Again, certain kind like if you are putting the load nothing but the class you are putting, if they are very light, in the sense ಏನು ತುಂಬಾ ಏನು ಲೈಟ್ ಇರೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ span of time, that is to wash. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ separate mechanisms ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. You can observe in the washing machine it has provided different options like if the load ಅಂದ್ರೆ class what you insert, ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇರ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಡ್ಸಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಂತ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೈಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ಹೆವಿ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ವೆರಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್, ರಗ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾತಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್, right? So that control unit also provides connectivity to user interface. Through user interface you can select the different options here, right? Next, user feedback is reflected through the display unit and LEDs. Very simple, whatever the input you give through the keypad or through the knob or through the touch screen, okay, that is reflected over the display, right? So that is connected to the control board, and depending on the input given by the user, the control will issue certain commands or it will execute certain instructions or functions, so we can get the class wash done, right? So this is very simple application. You can okay, if you have washing machine at your home, please go through like certain things what I said. Don't do any experiment, just go through the manuals or just go through the interfacing units given, right? Yeah, so this is the diagram given, just observe. Functional block diagram of washing machine. Okay, has taken two diagram. One is to explain the internal block diagram, he has taken the front loading, sorry, top loading, and for like simple the external view, he has taken the front load. Okay, so it's from a Bosch company. Okay, the same diagram is given in textbook also. So just observe here, will show, right? So this particular part, okay, this particular part is the display, right, where you can fix the rpm, there is a number of rotations. Again, you can fix the uh, time also, right? Yes. So again, while the washing machine is washing the clothes, when it is doing function, the display has got three main menus. One is, one picture indicates rinsing. Second one is about the uh, uh, yeah, rinsing again. Second one is about the rotation, and the last one is the drying process. Three different icons uh, uh, will be displayed, are yes, they're getting displayed over the this main display while washing machine is doing its task, right? Again, this is about the knob, you can observe, right? So in this knob there are different options are available, right? These are the different functions, if you want to wash kids wear, you can fix the knob to that particular point. If you want to wash the clothes with hot water, you can fix or you can change that knob direction. Or if you are there are certain applications or certain functions, uh, or if you want to simply want to clean the drum, then there is one option provided. Yes, just you can use this particular knob. Yeah. So just observe the internal block diagram given. Integrated control panel with the user interface. Next, level sensors. Observe here, as I was telling, there is one sensor used within the internal drum that is used to check the level of the water. Okay, depending on the water level, it will start like a spinning operation or rinsing operation, right? Yes. So water inlet pipe, right? So where water is drawn from the taps, again the water outlet, so this is the used water or the dirty water from the washing machine is put out. Next, the outer tub, there are two types. The inner tub consists of some like holes, you can observe, you know idre manali. So that is used to spin the or rinse the glass. Okay, again the external tub irutte, so that tub actually holds the water. Next, base body, and these are the menus, right? So light weight load ittu andre, medium load ittu andre, again heavy load ittu andre, you can change the options here, and this is the LED display, right? Yes. So this is very simple block diagram of the washing machine. Okay, and just go through that, and it is very simple application, you all know about it. Okay. Yes. Next, we'll move to the another application, that is automotive domain specific embedded systems, right? He has taken a car that is a higher end or higher version car. In textbook he has given the name of the manufacturer also. Okay, just observe. Embedded system in automotive domain. So the domain is automobile or the automotive domain, right? So what are the different embedded systems we use? We discussed in the characteristics of embedded systems. Okay, in that the clustering, okay, clustering, nothing but uh, different embedded systems are present in a single body or a single system, right? So by taking the result or by taking the work of all those embedded systems, that particular the main embedded system can execute the task. Okay, so just observe here in a car. This is a Honda CL car, right? Honda CL car India. Uh, just observe a simple, right? Or one car consists how many different types of embedded systems, right? So already we have discussed ABS, anti-lock braking system, right? So one by one, instrumentation. The first instrumentation. So this is embedded system present in the dashboard, right? Where you can see the speed of the car, again the mileage of the car, Next about gear. Okay, at which gear currently the car is running and all, or it is using instrumentation. Next, coming to the engine control, right? So embedded systems are used to control the engines. There is another option called brake distribution, right? So electronically EBD, yeah, EDB ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, electronically distributed brake ಅಂತ. Okay, that is also an example of embedded systems. Next, fuel injection control. So it is very very important. A microcontroller based or the embed system is used to check the ratio of the fuel and air, right? That is a fuel injection control. Next, coming to the fan control, I can check the fan. For example, there are options like AC and also the fan. Okay, you can check the, or you can increase or decrease the speed of the fan, as well as this is fan for the engine. Again, fan for internal usage also present. Next, coming to the headlamp control, yes, we can control the headlamp. Next, ABS control, we have discussed this already, anti-lock braking system. Next, wiper control. Wiper control is also part of embed system only. Next, suspension control. Power windows, so already you know that power windows, without doing any or using manual power, simply just pressing a button, I can control the windows, right? I can close the windows, I can open the windows, can fix the window and all. Okay, yes. Next, coming to the mirror control. Again, so earlier manually we need to fix the mirror position, but no, simply just pressing or rotating a knob, I can control the mirror. Next, about the seat control. Next, airbag control. This is very very important, airbag control. So that helps during accident, right? So there is one sensor present uh, at the at front, right? So depending on the uh, impact, right, or the intensity of the impact, the airbag will open. Okay, that is also one embedded system. Next, coming to the power steering. So earlier we in order to take a, in order to take u-turn or in order to take turn, we need to rotate the wheels, right? So like more number of turns to be made, okay, earlier, or in earlier case. But no, it is made very simple because of power steering. I can easily turn or I can easily take u-turn and all. Okay, next, about the air conditioner. So air conditioner, so earlier simply fixed temperature or the simple air conditioners were present, but no, they are also modified. There is one option called as automatic air conditioner, where depending on the temperature of the uh, interior of the car, or depending on the external temperature, the air conditioner will work. So there is also an option provided, right? Yes, just observe here how many number of embed controlled or embed system controlled units are there in a car, right? So this is one option or one example. Application specific, again the domain specific. The domain is automobile industry. What is application, right? Car, right? Yes. Okay, so I will stop here. HOD sir would like to address you people for few minutes. Sir, ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಸರ್.
Audible?
Yes sir, yes sir. Students,
How many?
sir, there are about 22 students, sir. Sir, 21 students.
Good morning, my dear students. Lot of effort the department has.
Sir, your audio is mute, sir, please. ಸರ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಈಗ.
Hello, is it audible?
Yes sir, yes sir. Now it is audible sir.
Good morning, my dear students. These are the most troubled times and difficult times, and the colleges have been closed. To have the continuity in the classes, the department has arranged online classes to all the students. Teachers have taken a lot of interest in conducting the online classes. They are preparing and devoting more time to conduct the classes. You should make full use of the efforts that are being made by the teachers. I learned that the attendance at fourth semester level is very poor, and only 20 to 25 students are participating in the online classes. Take these online classes seriously. Now, till May 3rd, the lockdown has been continued. So, we have to continue with the online classes for another 15 days. So, totally, we will be spending more time online than regular class interaction. So, I advise you to take these classes seriously, attend the classes, and whatever assignments that have been given to you, please attend to those assignments and submit them to the concerned teachers. And I would like to have feedback from one of you regarding how the classes are being run. Can one of you tell me?
Rahman, are you there? Rahman. ಹಲೋ ರೆಹಮಾನ್. ಹಾ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಹೇಳಿ. ಹೇಳಿ, ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಏನು? ಹಾ,
ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ DAS ಸರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್.
ವಿತ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ.
DAA ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು?
DAA, ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್
ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿಥಮ್ಸ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಲೋ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿಥಮ್ಸ್.
How many classes have been held now?
5 to 6 classes sir. Theory classes.
Algorithms is a difficult subject, and who is taking the class?
Likewin sir.
I will tell him. And along with the lectures, you also look into NPTEL courses on analysis of algorithms. They are more audible, and it will supplement the efforts of the teacher, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Along
yes, sir,
with these online classes, also go through NPTEL lectures on design and analysis of algorithms.
Okay, sir.
They are readily available and it will be more helpful, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Ask your friends also to join the online classes, right?
Yes, sir. They are saying we have unable to connect. We have network problems like that. They are saying, sir.
All will not have network problem, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
To overcome the network problem, we will try to put all these online classes, recorded online classes
Yes, sir.
on the drive and give link to you people, right?
Yes, sir.
We are making efforts and we will do it in another 3-4 days time. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you tell other students also to attend the classes, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Naveshri, want to ask? Naveshri, idira? ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್ ಸರ್.
Fine, okay.
Where are you from?
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ ಸರ್.
There will be no network problem in Shivamogga and Bhadravati as such. Maybe in the remote areas we may face some network problems. Are you attending all the classes?
Yes sir, I am attending.
You feel the classes are useful?
Yes sir, it's useful.
You please tell your classmates also to attend the classes regularly, because
Yes, sir.
these are very difficult times and entire world is facing this problem, and throughout the world educational institutions have been closed and online classes are being run, and teachers are making lot of effort to reach the students and deliver the goods. You should make full use of all these things. So you please tell your friends also to join the classes regularly. Okay?
Yes sir.
Tell others also. Anybody else?
Okay sir.
Hello?
Hello sir, hello.
Hello. Anybody else who wants to talk to me?
ಹಲೋ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ? ವಿನಯ್?
Sir, M4 classes are not conducted from a week.
hello.
Class? Hello?
ಹಲೋ, ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Sir, Pramod.
ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Sir, M4 classes are not conducting since from a week.
They have uploaded the YouTube lectures. They conducted 1 or 2 classes and then they uploaded them on the YouTube. Have you the access for those YouTube links?
ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರಮೋದ್.
Yes sir.
YouTube ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವರದು?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಸಿಕ್ತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಕುಮಾರಿ ಅನ್ನೋರ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಅವು ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
ಸರ್, ಸಿಕ್ತು.
ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್.
Yes sir.
Go through them. One problem we face in conducting the regular class for mathematics is they have to actually conduct the class using the board. Board work will be more. PPTs cannot be shown. So conducting mathematics classes online is a challenging issue. Right? Algorithm subject is difficult to understand. In online classes, using Zoom, we are getting only 30 minutes of time to deliver the class, right?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of having 1 hour in the regular classroom, only one algorithm can be explained. You have to be more attentive while listening to the algorithms classes, and at the same time, as I suggested to Rahman, you
Yes, sir.
supplement these online classes